Happy birthday, my love. I got this gift for you. The gift is yours, baby.
Are you mad? Eh? Who is this my jewel that has been calling you? Who is my jewel that has been calling you? Just today that I said, let me just be with your phone. Someone has been calling you, same as my jewel. So you've been cheating on me, Smith. Can you answer me? Who is my jewel that has been calling you? Excel, answer me. Answer me. Can you answer me? Who is my jewel? Who has been calling you? Who is the lady that you said that's my jewel that's been calling you? So my suspicions have finally become true, right? You've been cheating on me? Can you answer me, Excel?
Can you calm
Who did
down?
you save as my... I can't be calm. I cannot be calm because I'm literally going nuts now.
Is that why you locked the gate?
Yes, that is why I locked the gate. You're not entering this. It's your house, but you're not entering it. I will tell you that I'm a woman.
Babe, can you open this
I will
gate?
never open the gate.
Look, we're outside and people are listening to
let
our
us
voice.
embarrass ourselves when you go about putting your this thing in every cookie that you see on the street. You did not know? Who did you save as my jewel?
Babe, is it a crime that
Oh my
I went
God.
to get a gift for you?
It is a crime.
Is it a crime that I want to show you how much I love you?
It is a crime because this gift, I know you still have another person you will still give gifts today. I know. Somebody has been, my jewel has been texting you, asking you for a location of where she will come and meet you. So why is it so difficult for you to tell me who my jewel is? Excel, so this is what you've been doing to me. You've been cheating on me with another woman.
I am not cheating on you.
So what explanation do you have?
My son.
Mama.
My daughter.
Mama, welcome.
Mama, you're here.
What is going on here? I said I'll be calling you on line now. It's not going.
Mama,
I've been looking for directions since. I've been calling your line.
Mama, you've been calling my number. My girlfriend is with my phone.
Okay.
Why didn't you pick her call when she was calling?
I didn't. Your mother did not. She didn't call.
Mama, please, can you dial my number?
10 missed call. I called your mom.
You know it's only that side chick that.
It's ringing now.
My jewel. Wait. You mean you saved your mother's number with my jewel?
Mama, please, you can go inside. Please give my mother the key.
Okay, Mama, this is the key.
I hope you cook something.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, just don't worry. Confidence. I have tried as much as I can to remain faithful to you.
Baby, I'm sorry.
I tried not to cheat on you.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I do everything to make sure that you believe me. But what did I get in return? Confidence. Today, that is your day. I went out as early as possible to get the shoes that you've been craving for. I got the shoes for you. Louis Vuitton.
I'm sorry.
Baby, I am here to surprise you. Only for you to welcome me with 3 dirty slaps.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
Even when I try to explain myself to you, what did I do to deserve all this? So does it mean you can't trust me?
Baby, I will trust you from today, please. I didn't know it was your mother you saved as my jewel. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I am so disappointed at you. I am so disappointed. Anyway, this is your gift. I'm going inside.
Thank you, babe, please wait. Babe, I'm sorry.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.